Hey, it's Chris from Resurface. Today, we are going to look at a debugging workflow in Resurface's UI. So basically, I am a DevOps person on this service called Coinbroker, which allows users to trade cryptocurrency. Now, I got a message from IT saying that this man by the name of Ronnie Kafa, don't know if I'm saying that right, sorry Ronnie, has been having trouble using the Coinbroker API. So, to investigate, I'm going to go ahead and do a search for his email. So right here, it looks like we have when Ronnie signed up. And in the Coinbroker application, after you sign up, you're assigned an account token, and this is what we use to track all of the traffic of somebody using coinbroker.io. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and search for that. Okay, it looks like we do have a 500 error here. And it was when Ronnie was trying to get a quote for how much $4 would be worth in Bitcoin. And it looks like the response, this is the request body right here. It looks like the response body returned a runtime error. Very interesting. So as an IT person that's looking into this, the first thing I would want to do for sure is create a saved view for this. So we'll go up here, click create saved view, and call it support ticket number 13 because we use a numbering system. And then maybe the person's name, Ronnie. Ronnie. Did I spell that right, Ronnie? I hope I did. And there we go. So now, if we click on this, it will just return the results for that search. So now I can leave or do whatever I want to, and all I have to do is tell my developer, yeah, look into support ticket 13, I left a saved view in Resurface for that. So now if they hopped into the application, they'd be able to go, oh, yep, number 13, Ronnie, okay. And see right here, what do you know? We have an error. So that's just one of the many ways you could use saved views in your debugging workflow. Of course, there are tons of other ways to do that. Let me just show one more real quick. So say we just wanted to get a look at how this error occurs, right? It's kind of unique. It's a 500 response code, right? And it's usually on /quote. So what we can do is we can go ahead and set up a filter here. We'll do a filter by, of course, response code. Any response code that is 500. On top of that, let's see, we're going to want to also make sure that it's on the /quote path. And lastly, let's see, this happened on this date. So let's see if we can get anything that's happened since that time, since that date. So we'll also filter and do response date. Or actually, yeah, we'll do response date. And we'll do a response date after the day before we got this one, so we can find anything else. So we'll go ahead and click view results. Oh, and we need to hop back into the default view. There we go. And now, if we view results, looks like we have a couple other people here with a couple other tokens. So we've got an active filter right here, you can see flashing. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and also create a saved view. And we can name it whatever we want, just to remember it. So we'll call it 500 errors after, and then that date, which I believe was 01 05 2021 and save that. And now anytime we need to reference that, we can come back and we can see that here. We can clear our filters and do all kinds of other searches around in the database, but we can always hop back to that saved view right there, or tell one of the other developers, hey, please go check that out. Not sure what's up with these errors coming through, but it looks like we're getting a null pointer exception. So that's just a little example of how you can use the saved views workflow within your team to manage and debug your APIs. Thanks for watching.